What years did you attend the Hope School?
I started approximately in 1943.
Okay.
And ended down here in 1953. Called the buses. That's the first year the buses came out for black people.
Okay.
So I had to transfer to Pomeri.
Okay.
So with house I go here. Bus picked me up. Came into Pomeri. Other children had to drop off some children here from Upper Park. Above Pomeri. Bring them down here. Pick us up. Kids Pomeri.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, what was your typical day when you came into the school? What did you do first, and so on and so forth after that?
Oh, we had to say a Bible verse, one thing, every morning. That was about the first thing we did. I don't remember if we sang a song or not, but I know we had to do that Bible verse.
Okay.
Everybody was trying to jump in and say Jesus wept first. That was the easy one. Sure.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, what was recess and lunch like?
Well, most of the time you brought your lunch from school. I mean, from home. And a little brown bag and whatever.
Okay.
Mother could scrape together.
Okay. So did you play outside after lunch? What kind of games did you play?
Things that kids don't do today. Like I really don't remember too much what we did here, but I know we used to play like in the woods with draw up a place outside the yard for our playhouse and have boxes and buckets and stuff sitting around for our stove and chairs and stuff. We played ball. We made dolls out of corn shucks and cobs.
Okay. Okay, just a few general questions. Tell us your name.
Thomas Fleming
Okay, and where do you live now?
in Pomeroy.
Okay, and what years did you attend the Hope School?
From 1941 to 51.
51. Okay. So tell me, what do you remember about the school, about going to school here?
I used to get so cold coming to walking to school in the wintertime. That's one thing I remember.
Okay.
And I remember the white children would throw them spitball out when they played rock and all that.
And that long walk? Okay. Okay. So what did you do when you got to school in the mornings?
And one time I tried to warm my hands because my hands were cold. Yeah. But I generally get you up, we to school, took up at 8, and we used to go to our discipline.
So what was your favorite subject in school?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic? Okay. What was your least favorite?
Spelling.
Spelling? Okay. So what kind of books did you guys have in school? What materials did you use?
We had readers, geography, science. We had this basically like the same kind of book together today.
Okay. Okay. All right. So how did your report cards look? Did you get good grades? Or?
I had some good, I had some bad.
Okay.
Spelling was bad grade.
Okay. Tell me about the building. What did the school look like on the inside when you were a student here?
That yellow in there, it was brown all over the inside when I was going to school.
Okay.
Yeah, it was brown in there. I believe I was here when they put a top on that building while I was going to school.
Okay. Okay. What about any other buildings on the rest of the ground? Were there any other buildings?
The girls had an outhouse, the boys' outhouse right there, and the girls' outhouse was about 100 people below that one.
Okay. All right. So did you have to ever walk down to the store and bring the water back?
Yeah, all of us had to do. They had to take turns walking to the store getting water.
Okay, what did you carry? You had buckets? Or?
Buckets.
Buckets. How long a walk was it?
That store right out there.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, do you remember some of your teachers at the school?
Yeah.
What were they like?
Miss Rita, Miss Martin, Miss Floyd, and Miss Beaton, and some more. Them all I can think of. There's a couple of different teachers, yeah.
Okay. So did you get in trouble in school, or you a good guy?
I was a good guy.
You're a good guy?
that was a bad guy when I was rough.
Okay. Because he's the one, he put his name on the desk, right?
That's
Did he get in trouble for that?
I forgot. I was in this class over here, and he was back in the other room there.
Okay. So I heard you have stories. Tell us a story.
About what?
About some of the schools, something you guys used to do, or they said you got good stories. I want to hear one. Girlfriends? Tell me about girlfriends.
I had plenty of girlfriends.
Okay. So what about after school? What did you do after school?
We used to rock hills. There could be a crowd going through there, and be a crowd. We was going this way, and we used to rock them people going through that way. Like a wall. We had a wall, throwing rocks at each other.
Okay. Did you have any chores at home that you had to do?
Oh, don't talk about chores. There are too many. We get over all the chores.
Too many chores.
My father farmed, and we had plenty to do, work all the time.
Okay. So is there anything that you would like to share with us about the Hope School and your experience here?
It was a good school, that's all I know. And in the wintertime, and before we come to school, we had to milk the cows and carry the cows out to the vine. Come here, we hair wet, go to the school out. I don't know all that too.
Okay. So tell me, what do you remember about the school?
Probably walking to and from school because we had so far to walk.
But how many miles was it?
It's hard to guess. Maybe 3-4 miles.
Really? Wow, okay. So when it was cold out, what was that walk like?
Cold.
Did you bundle up?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay, so tell me about some of the aspects of the community in the school. How did the community view the school?
I think we were just happy that we had a school to come to, you know. And, you know, my mom, she was going to see that we went. I mean, you were going, or you were going to leave home, headed that way.
Okay. Tell me, what else do you remember about the Hope School?
Well, we used to have dance this year.
Okay.
And, this was like a community center back in the day for us because my mother and several other people from the community that used to attend the church, they bought the school.
Okay.
So they had dances and sold hot dogs and Pepsi Colors to raise funds to buy the school.
Gotcha. Okay. So that's how you got involved in the project now?
Well, how I got involved was my sister Lily Mae Fleming Wise. She and my brother Louis and Margaret, Benita, Thomas, they all were, and Leo LeGlamp, they were meeting, trying to raise funds to open the school back up. But what happened, my sister died. So when she died in 2003, it was like the whole plan was dead too. So one day I decided to call the group and see would they be interested in meeting with me so we could start the renovation up again.
So do you guys have a date that you're aiming for everything to be open and operational?
The date, well, I spoke with Ron. He's looking at next August, but if we get contractors in, it should be sooner than 2009 next year.
So what kind of plan do you have for an opening ceremony type?
Oh, we plan to have a grand opening with all the representatives and anybody, you know, that want to come, and a big feast, just a great time.
Right. Okay. Well, I hope you'll invite us back.
We will.
Okay.